Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to enable active status on TikTok. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's get started. Tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu proceed to settings and privacy. Go to privacy and here is active status. So let me explain what is it active status on TikTok. It's when this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's active status. You will see each other's active status only when both of you turn this on. That means when you write something in messages or something like that, you will see when your followers and your friends followers online on TikTok. That means TikTok show you it. We just swipe the slider to the right side and near active status and we enable active status on TikTok.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.